हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो आज हम देखने जा रहे एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3.2 अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है राइट द करेक्ट नंबर इन द गिवन बॉक्सेस फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग एपी। अब यहाँ पे सॉल्यूशन है 1, 8, 15, 22 एंड सो ऑन द गिवन एपी। हियर a is equal to 1, t1 that is a, t2 is equal to 8, t3 is equal to 15। नाउ हमें क्या करना है, हमें डिफरेंस निकालना है। तो t2 माइनस t1 इज इक्वल टू 8 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 7 एंड t3 माइनस t2 इज इक्वल टू 15 माइनस 8 इज इक्वल टू 7। सो d इज इक्वल टू 7 इज द आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का सब क्वेश्चन 2, द गिवन AP is 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. Here T1 is equal to 3, T2 is equal to 6, T3 is equal to 9, T4 is equal to 12. So T2 minus T1 is 6 minus 3 is 3, T3 minus T2 is 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So the common difference, that is D, is equal to 3. सब क्वेश्चन 3 देखेंगे। -3, -8, -13, -18 and so on is the given AP. Here T1 is equal to -3, T2 is equal to -8, T3 is equal to -13, T4 is equal to -18. So T2 minus T1 is -8 minus -1. That is -8 plus 3 is equal to -5. T3 minus T2 is -13 minus of -8, that is -13 plus 8 is equal to -5. So A is equal to -3 and D is equal to -5. Sub question 4. So given AP is 70, 60, 50, 40 and so on. So T1 is equal to 70, T2 is equal to 60, T3 is equal to 50. Therefore A is equal to 70 and D is equal to -10. So question number 2, decide whether the following sequence is an AP. If so, find the 20th term of the progression. -12, -5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30 and so on. Solution, the given sequence is -12, -5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30 and so on. Here T1 is equal to -12, T2 is equal to -5, T3 is equal to 2. So you have to find common difference. Now common difference is D, that is T2 minus T1, that equal to -5 minus of -12, that is -5 plus 12 is 7. T3 minus T2 is 2 minus -5, that is 2 plus 5 is 7. Since T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2, hence the given sequence is an AP. Now we know that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So to find 20th term T20, हम लेंगे n is equal to 20. So T20 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that equals to -12 plus 20 minus 1 into 7 is equal to -12 plus 19 into 7 is equal to 121. Hence the 20th term of the progression is 121. Question number 3. Given arithmetic progression 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on, find the 24th term of this progression. Now solution. The given sequence is 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Here first term, that is T1, that is A, is equal to 12. Now common difference is D, that is T2 minus T1, that is 16 minus 12 is 4. Now Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So take n is equal to 24, क्योंकि हमें 24th टर्म फाइंड करना है. सो T24 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 12 plus 24 minus 1 into 4 is equal to 12 plus 23 into 4 is equal to 104. So आंसर लिखेंगे the 24th term of the progression is 104. Question number 4. Find the 19th term of the following AP 7, 13, 19, 25 and so on. So the given sequence is 7, 13, 19, 25 and so on. Here first term, that is T1, is equal to A is equal to 7. Common difference, that is D, is equal to T2 minus T1, that is 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Now Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 19 term, that is T19, is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A is 7, n is 19 and D is 6. So 7 plus 19 minus 1 into 6 equal to 7 plus 18 into 6 is equal to 115. Hence, solution लिखेंगे the 19th term of this progression is 115. Question number 5. Find the 27th term of the following AP 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11 and so on. Here first term is 9. Common difference, that is D, is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 5. Now Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So to find the 27th term, T27 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 9 plus 27 minus 1 minus 5 is equal to 9 plus 26 into minus 5 is equal to minus 121. Hence, we'll write the answer. The 27th term of this progression is minus 121. Question number 6. Find how many 3 digits natural numbers are divisible by 5. So to find the natural number divisible by 5, the solution is the least positive 3 digit natural number divisible by 5 is 100. जो सबसे छोटा नंबर है जिसे हम लोग 5 से डिवाइड करते हैं 3 डिजिट नंबर इज 100. सो द सीक्वेंस डिविजिबल बाय 5 इज 100, 105, 110 so on to 995. Now Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we can write 995 is equal to 100 plus n minus 1 into 5. So 995 is equal to 100 plus 5n minus 5. (995) is equal to 95 plus 5n So 995 minus 95 is equal to 5n. 5n is equal to 900. So n is equal to 180. Hence 180 three-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. Question number 7. The 11th term and the 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29 respectively. Then find the 41st term of that AP. Now solution. It is given that T11, that is 11th term, is 16. T21, that is 21st term, is 29. Now we know that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So taking n is equal to 11, 211 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 into D. So 16 is equal to A plus 10D. So A is equal to 16 minus 10D. This is our equation number 1. Now T21, take n is equal to 21. So T21 is equal to A plus 21 minus 1 into D. Therefore 29 is equal to A plus 20D. So 29 is equal to 16 minus 10D plus 20D from equation number 1. Therefore 29 minus 16 is equal to 10D. So D is equal to 1310. Now putting the value of D in equation 1, we get A is equal to 16 minus 10 into 1310 is equal to 3. Therefore T41 is equal to A plus 41 minus 1 into D is equal to 3 plus 40 into 1310 is equal to 55. Hence, the 41st term of the AP is 55. Question number 8. 11, 8, pi, 2 and so on. In this AP, which term is number minus 151? Now the given sequence is 11, 8, pi, 2 and the last term is minus 151. Now Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So minus 151 is equal to 11 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. So minus 151 is equal to 11 minus 3n plus 3. Therefore minus 151 is equal to 14 minus 3n. So 3n is equal to 14 plus 151. Therefore 3n is equal to 165. So n is equal to 165 upon 3. Therefore n is equal to 55. Hence the 55th term is number minus 151. Question number 9. In the natural numbers from 10th to 250, how many are divisible by 4? Now solution. The least positive natural number from 10 to 250 divisible by 4 is 12. The sequence divisible by 4 can be written as 12, 6, 20, so on to 248. Now Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 248 is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into 4 as common difference is 4. So 248 is equal to 12 plus 4n minus 4. Therefore 248 is equal to 8 plus 4n. Hence 248 minus 8 is equal to 4n. 4n is equal to 240. So n is equal to 60. Hence 60 numbers are divisible by 4. That is the final answer. Question number 10. In an AP, 17 term is 7 more than its 10 term. Find the common difference. Solution. It is given that T17 is equal to 7 plus T10. We know that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, T17 is equal to A plus 17 minus 2 into D is equal to A plus 16D. That is equation number 2. Now T10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D is equal to A plus 9D. इक्वेशन 3. तो यहाँ पे हमने लिखा n इज इक्वल टू 17 सेकेंड इक्वेशन में, और थर्ड इक्वेशन में हमने लिखा n इज इक्वल टू 10. नाउ a प्लस 16d इज इक्वल टू 7 प्लस a प्लस 9d फ्रॉम 1, 2 and 3. So 16d is equal to 7 plus 9d. Therefore 16d minus 9d is equal to 7. So 7d is equal to 7. D is equal to 1. Hence the common difference is 1.